I'm going to show you how you can easily use a coin counting machine Commonwealth Bank. First, locate a ComBank branch with a coin deposit ATM using the ATM locator on their website. Then insert your ComBank card or use the ComBank app's QR cardless feature to access the ATM. Next, select the deposit option on the ATM screen to start the deposit process. Now choose the account you want to deposit the coins into, such as savings or check. When prompted, select coins as the type of deposit you're making. Next, wait for the coin slot to open. Then pour in your loose coins. Press Enter after inserting coins so the machine can count and process them. Then, review the deposit summary on screen to confirm the amount is correct. Confirm the deposit, collect your receipt, and safely end your session.